Yeah, G Money rides, G Money rides. Yeah, can't slow down, might get a speed ticket. G Money rides, known for popping willies. Cops pull me over, then they let me go. Catch me if you can, or eat my dust, bro. G Money rides, G Money rides, G.
Alright, guys and gals, first ride of 2020. Candy's all back together. I'm pretty much healed up. Only thing I got left to do is I do have to replace this lever, but I'm going to replace them both. The little ball on the end here is all scraped off, so I'll fix that. But I'm kind of out. This is kind of a test ride. Trying to see how much the steering dampener affects just normal riding. I've got it on 1/4 right now. It's a little chilly out, not bad. In the high 40s, mid 40s I should say, not high 40s, in the mid 40s. If you haven't noticed, new bars. They're the Pro Taper Ricky Carmichael bend. They're quite a bit wider than stock, so I'm gonna have to take a little time to get used to those as well. But feels good to be back out on my baby. Indeed it does. Whoa! That was close as shit, man. About turned in the side of that minivan. That was crazy, I say. I don't know if you guys can tell right now. It's kind of hard to, but right there, the instrument cluster is now a color cluster. Yay! Blue to match the bike. I think it kind of looks dope. Wow, I'm gonna say that's the most solid this bike has ever felt upon landing a wheelie. That was nothing. There was nothing. Granted, that wasn't some high speed one, super speed one, but I've had head shake on wheelies exactly like that one. Steering dampener to the rescue.